What's up guys? Ito naman po si Kuya Sir at tayo po ay mag-react dito sa isang video ng isang banyaga na pumunta sa Pilipinas at siya ay first time na babiyahe gamit ang MRT. Panoorin natin.
We will be taking public transport in the Philippines for the first time by myself. I've been to the Philippines about 5 times, so I've taken jeepneys, I've taken buses, but I've never done it alone. So today that's what we're gonna do. I am on my way to SM Fairview, and I was thinking about taking a Grab, but it was like 800 pesos. I thought about taking Angkas, and then the more I thought about taking public transport, I was like, you know what? It sounds kind of fun to try out, and like I'm quite familiar
Try niya
with
lang
the
daw yung
Philippines, so
MRT.
it shouldn't be too difficult, and I know people will help me along the way if I have any questions. So I'm heading this way towards where there's EDSA and the train. Okay, so I'm getting closer, but I feel very overwhelmed that the highway is like right here. And the EDSA would be in there, I think. Yeah, I actually have no idea where I'm supposed to stop. See, that looks like it. But I don't know where to stop. The bus might have just passed me. I don't know. We're gonna go to the train, I think. Because I don't know where the bus is supposed to stop at all. There goes another one. There's 2. I don't know how to get to it. I think I have to go all the way down here and then there. We're just gonna play it out and see how it goes. Like, I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. Once
Dapat
you figure
nagsama
out how
siya.
to do something, it's okay. It's just sometimes the
Or
first time doing
nagtanong-tanong
it
siya.
isn't
Mahirap kasi pag
super straightforward or easy. But after you do it, then you know
solo.
how to do it every time after that. Okay, so this is the Buendia.
Bindiya MRT.
So I think I gotta go up here and then get the bus like in the middle. Cause there's no way to cross here.
May harap tayo yung
Excuse me.
carousel.
Excuse me. MRT or Edna? Up and around.
Yes.
Okay. From here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Made it to the steps.
Wow.
This is really fun actually. I like it. I liked it. I need some adventure in my life because I've been like just working and sitting all week. Okay, so it seems like the train is right here. So we're just gonna go with the train. And the machines are right here. Okay, so we need to go to North Avenue, Buendia. Okay, all the way to North. 24 pesos. So you want to have exact change and you can buy it from here.
Kailan ba ako uling bumiyahe ng MRT?
Alright, we got the ticket.
Nung nagtrabaho pa ata ako sa
Excuse
pag
me?
work ka. Pero nakapunta naman na ako sa Bindiya.
Oh, they're here.
Buti na lang mga Pinoy, madaling matanungan yan. Mana tayo sa directions eh.
Thank you. Okay, security. Nice. Why don't we have that in America where we probably actually need it? Okay. Let's go.
Oo, sa Amerika, dire-diretso lang eh. May card ka, tap mo lang, sakay ka na.
Thank you. Easy. All of the seats are taken, but it's pretty spacious. I can stand. I can put myself down. So as we're going along, the train is, it wasn't very full when I got on, but now it is filling up. So interesting to see how many people will
Mga
be
Amerikano,
here
malakas ang loob eh.
once we hit our last stop. Look at this traffic. It has been going on for at least like a minute. This is walk-ins right now. Like, oh my God. They don't mess around when they say Manila has some of the worst traffic in the world. I'm so happy to be on a train right now, just sleeping through all of it.
Ito pala siyang SM Fairview.
Bye, train!
Enjoy siya eh.
Okay, so I made it off the train. Nice ride. Obviously, it was a Saturday morning, so I'm sure during rush hour it is packed, but it was pretty empty when I was getting off.
So yun guys, napanood nyo yung journey ng isang banyaga, no? So anong interesting dun? Parang wala namang interesting dyan, kuya sir. Naging interested ako guys, kung ako ha, tatanungin nyo. Interested ako sa mga ganong klaseng banyaga na nag-explore sa Pilipinas. No? Not in terms na namamasyal or na kumakain ng ganito, ng mga delicacies natin, no? Isa pang nakakalimutan ng ibang vlogger na ibang lahi, no, is yung subukan yung ating mga transportation. Yan. Doon ako naging interested. Okay? Kasi sa iba ko napapanood ng mga nag-vlog na ibang lahi, kadalasan kakain, mamimigay ng pera, yun, nagsiswimming, no, nagta-travel, yan. Ba, ganun. Sa hotel, ganyan. Pero wala pa akong halos nakikita. Hindi ko sinabing wala. Wala akong halos nakikita na nagtatry na sumakay ng sidecar, sumakay ng tricycle, ng jeepney, yan, ng bus, ng MRT, yan. Kaya naging interested ako. So, kayo rin ba, ganun din ba yung tingin nyo kay ate? Na sinubukan niya yung MRT for the first time, no? Na 5 times na raw siyang nakapunta sa Pilipinas, no? So, it means natutuwa siya sa Pilipinas kasi nakailang balik na siya, di ba? So, yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama. At kung di ka pa nakabalaw, alam mo na. And then, pa-visit po yung aking YouTube channel. Thank you. Maraming salamat. God bless.